Mga Papips, andito pa rin tayo sa event. Nako,
Hello.
gabing-gabi na.
Oo,
Nandito pa rin tayo. Boss, name nyo po.
Andwin Grounds. Hello guys.
Mga Papips, siya yung host dito sa Geek Pop Alpha. Matagal na ba kayong host dito? Ano ba? Paano ba?
Actually, I started hosting for Geek Pop this year lang.
Oh.
Because before, ang na-experience namin is nagka-Guillain de Oro kami together with Razor Gold. And then, doon kami nagkaroon ng opportunity to host for Geek Pop. But this time, it became official na I'm one of the hosts of Geek Pop Alpha here in Manila naman.
Lamig ng boses ni Boss. Sige, ano, Boss, ibig sabihin, dati pa kayong host. So, saan pa kayo naging host before?
Marami-rami na rin kasi I've been working side by side nga with Razor Gold, and right now we're also doing a nationwide tour together with Cyberzone. So isa yun sa mga inaano ko ngayon, kinakareer natin ngayon, and nag-ano rin na kasi ako, nagsha-shoutcasting din ako. So definitely if you are familiar with the game Cabal, this coming Monday mag-start na yung tournament namin, and I'll be one of the shoutcasters together with Cedric.
Casting?
Patay tayo dyan.
Parang may naalala ko bigla. Erase yun lang. Boss, syempre, for sure, gamer naman kayo.
Yes sir.
Anong pinaka-favorite yung game of all time?
I have two. Pero if you're gonna ask me kung ano yung nag-connect sa akin sa community so much ng gaming talaga, it's pretty much Genshin Impact. Kasi I've been a streamer as well for 3 years. Ngayon lang ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon na i-pursue yung passion ko when it comes to hosting and shoutcasting. So yun, I've been a streamer for 3 years. Been streaming Genshin Impact.
Wow.
Pretty much every Hoyoverse related titles, na-stream ko siya. So ayun, sa akin ang nag-create talaga ng impact in terms of career and everything that connected me in the community is Genshin Impact. Pero kung tatanungin nyo kung ano yung nag-ano sa akin talaga, sorry, Crisis Core.
Crisis.
Oo.
Maka Final Fantasy pala to si Bossing.
Oo.
Boss, yun din ba yung pinaka-memorable game nyo?
Oo, so far. Kasi when it comes to solo playing, kasi umiyak talaga ako doon. As in, I was so touched with the storyline. Kahit anong level up mo pala, ganun din yung magiging outcome sa Crisis Core, so wala akong nagawa doon. I was caught off guard nung una ko siya nilaro. So, umiyak talaga ako noon. Second naman when it comes to emotion is Cabal nga. Kasi I played it together with my late cousin.
Grabe, may mga ganyan talaga tayo moments, ano, boss? Ito na lang, medyo maiba tayo ng konti, no? Pinaka-favorite nyo, game antagonist.
Game antagonist, definitely Sephiroth.
Grabe naman, ang bigat naman agad ng Sephiroth. Bakit si Sephiroth, boss?
I will never be a memory.
Siya nagsabi, yun na yun. One Winged Angel nga naman. Boss, fast talk tayo.
Okay.
Pabiling ka na lang. Console or PC?
Definitely PC, practical.
Ooh. Single player or multiplayer?
Right now, single player.
RPG or FPS?
RPG, definitely.
Open world or linear story?
Open world.
Favorite gaming snack?
Pringles.
Grabe. Retro games or modern games? Ayan na.
Ang hirap I have so much heart for retro games, pero syempre modern games tayo ngayon So modern games.
Okay. Boss, sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Tumakbo na siya, guys. Yun nga, boss, maraming salamat sa interview. Sex talaga.